Alright, today is Friday, and I've sold out all my plays, and I made my. Actually, I haven't made my weekly goal, but I'm pretty close. But, anyways, today is November 18th, 2022, and we see the time at 7:33 a.m. What I did on this play is it's a play on the options on the Nasdaq 100 futures. Basically, I'm playing options on the futures contracts. So the futures contracts are slash NQ, and the NQ is more bang for the buck. So what I'm doing is I'm playing a credit spread, which I can show you on options chain here. I played some plays down here, up here, where I don't think the Nasdaq is not going to go above 12,150, and we have a percentage in the money of 7%, so that's very good. So we do the opposite. The percentage, that means there's a 93% chance this will win, based on the current odds. And if you're a math buff, this thing is a 1 standard deviation, and this is a 2 standard deviation. So if you ever took statistics in high school, college, math, this is where you use the math, but this automatically calculates everything for you. So I had one credit spread where I sold something up front and bought something in the back and got a credit. And we can see my plays here are just on NQ. Here's all my other plays, but I'm just going to concentrate on one ticker. I think I bought this yesterday. Let's see. Yeah, I bought these. I bought all these other plays and made some money, but I bought these 2 recent plays that I currently have now. These 2, the last 2. So I got if you look, we get similar order. This is a possible $200 maximum profit if it goes. And then my last play was this morning at 6:30, 8 minutes after the bell. I think I have put in a $260 possible profit, right? And our current position right now is at 115. Like it fluctuates, but it's about $115 to $20 profit so far, and it's 22% on return on investment, overnight play. So this is a pretty good, and this is a somewhat very safe position. This requires probably $3,000 of possible to put it. This trade costs about $3,000 or so. And I'm going to get back and I'm looking for maybe $200 to $300 profit. So I'm looking at a 10% return in about 2 days. Oh yeah, here's the capital requirement here. This is the margin requirement on this, right? That means this is how much money you have to have in reserve on top of what the play costs you. But the play doesn't cost you anything because you're getting a credit. You got a credit. Basically, you're buying and selling something, and you're getting money put in your account before these transactions close, right? But you still have to put up the collateral, right? The capital requirement, the margin. That's it. And we're making 130 right now. And I can wait till we get to, yeah, we're already at 26%. So. But I'm making a play. I don't want to stress out on Friday. So what I do is sometimes I just make a big play, and I make it super safe. And I can show you why it's safe, because like I told you it's I have 2 different dates, 5 days out. These contracts expire 5 days out and 7 days out. So I put a little. And you can just we can look at the. Where how safe I am. I'm one standard deviation out of the possible target, and I wanted to not. I wanted the stock. I want the Nasdaq not to go up to this. So I'm selling somebody else, saying, "Hey, it's not going to go here." People and somebody else is buying it, thinking it is. So I don't want the Nasdaq to go above 12,150 within the next 5 days. But I'm going to sell this Monday for maybe, on the two combined plays, I'm going to probably make $200 out of the 460. And if the market still keeps going down, which I wanted to, I'll probably just keep it and write it up to maybe 50% of this. So I'm going to get like $230 to $300 profit. And then I still have cash on the side. I'm just going to wait for opportunities. As we see, the Nasdaq is going down today, and that's a very good thing for me, because I don't want it to go up, and we still have a lot of cushion. Here, I'll show you. We still have a lot of cushion. That what was our top 12,170, and so let's just say 12,170. We don't want to go above 12,170. So we still have way up here, and how the technical charts go. It's typically the algorithms and fast and high frequency traders and computers, they see that it goes up to about this level, then they sell off, then they probably pop up again. So we have so many rejection points here, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have like 10 rejection points. So I doubt this is going to go up to 12,170. So that's my thought process here, and I'll actually need to expand it a little bit further. Yeah, here's 12,170, way up here, right there. That's where I don't want it to go above. But based on news and stuff, this will probably still keep going down. But we still have so much cushion that, but nothing's guaranteed. But this is a very high probability play based on current odds. Sort of like if you like, everything's a bet, right? But this is the equivalent to like horse racing odds, basically. If you know the horse racing odds, there's a 93% chance that it will not reach this price as of right now. Right, 93% chance it won't. Or you can change the thing to where you can go in the money, and there's only a 7% chance. So you can. So would you make a bet? Would you make a bet that you have over a 90% chance that you're going to win the bet? But you have to keep in mind that we're already making 122 on these two plays. But we can cash it in anytime we want. But based on the chart, based on today, it doesn't look like it's going to go up. Even if it does, the stock market's going to have to go up probably 7,000 to 1,000 points a day, and I doubt it will. And then by Monday, we'll probably be banking $200 profit on these two plays, because we're already banking $100 already. This fluctuates so much, but it's about $120 average. I made this play yesterday, and I made this play today. So I combined two plays on the same type of play. So I just want to show you that everything's a gamble, but the probability, if you bet right, this requires a lot of like $3,000 or so. But if you scale up and you could put $30,000, this would be if you 10x it, we would be making $1,200 profit on $30,000, and this is only overnight. So, but I don't want to scale up. I'm getting to the point where I'm want to get my account up to a certain level, but I haven't reached my goal yet. So just Just shooting for the stars, hoping for the best, whatever you call it, and hopefully by this time next year, I think I will do my ultimate goal of making more money to cover to exceed my paycheck. That's my goal. On like maybe a 3-month period, I will exceed my paycheck every month. That's my goal. And then ultimately, after you reach that, then there's a goal that doubles it and triples it. But all right, that's it. And right now we're massively going down today. That's good for me because my bet's way up here, so we're doing very good today. And I'm gonna say I'm risking a portion of my full money in this account, and that's it. And I made a quick Robinhood play on the SPY going down. I made like $20-30 quick on my other Robinhood account. But to think of it, these trades, if you do trades on options on the future contracts, each line is $2.50. So this 250. So because imagine what I spent on look at what I imagine what I spent on commissions just this week. Look at the slash ones are $2.50 each, $2.50 each line. So look at this. So just what I paid in commissions, I probably I don't know. It's ridiculous, man. That the guy that brokers make it so much money. It's you can't imagine how much they make. But this is just even all the trades, like the ones that are they're without the slash, they're like 65 cents each. But these are all 250. But they're only 250 one way because if I buy and then sell. So if you divide all these two slashes by half, then that's whatever it costs. Here's some earlier plays I did earlier this week. Made some money. So, and look at all these lines. All these lines are minimum, probably an average $1.50 each. If you break it down. So the people that making the most money are the brokerages and stuff. So, but they have to take their cut. That's what's kind of pissing me off. But look at, we're up 150 already because the stock market's still going down. That's what I want. We're up 32%. All right, that's it. I can keep going on forever. All right, bye.